how to set up a Spotify account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can set up a Spotify account in your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply install our Spotify application, which you can do so by going to your Google Play Store and then go to the search bar, and from here simply search for Spotify. Now you will see the application, so simply click onto this install button and you can see that the application is being downloaded and is getting installed in our device. Now once the application will install, you will need to click onto this open button and it will open the Spotify application. Now from here you can simply log in or sign up for free as well if you want, and you'll be all set. So you can either choose the login option or sign up for free option. So if you already have credentials, you can log in, or you can click on sign up for free and then continue with Google. If you have already linked in with a Google account, you can simply choose the particular account and set your date of birth. Then after setting in your date of birth, you can click on next and select your gender as well. After selecting your gender, you can specify your name as well, and then after specifying your name, you can simply click onto the create account option. So that's how easily you will easily create your Spotify account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.